Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious fries and mixed lamb stir fry the easiest way. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 5 large potatoes. I've chopped and cut them into fries as you can see in the video. Then you're going to need a half a kg of lamb meat, or you can use any meat that you prefer, some salt to taste, 1 slice of onion, a handful of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 lime, or you can use a lemon, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and lastly you're going to need 1 teaspoon of garamasala. So the first step, we're going to make our fries. Make sure you've washed and drained the water. Then afterwards, sprinkle some salt and mix the fries very well. Once you're done, you're going to place a frying pan and some oil on a medium heat and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, you're going to dip in the fries and deep fry them until the fries are nicely cooked or fried. After a couple of minutes, your fries should be nicely fried and crunchy like this. Then your fries are ready, and remove them out from the oil and place them on a plate. The next step, I'm going to boil my lamb meat. In a medium small pot, you're going to add the lamb meat. Make sure you've rinsed the meat very well. Then add some salt to taste and some water and cover to let the lamb meat to boil until soft. Let the meat to boil on a medium heat until the lamb meat becomes super soft. Once the soup is less, you're going to add a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, a handful of coriander leaves and 1 slice of onion, and mix the meat very well. Then afterwards, you're going to squeeze a lime, or you can use a lemon to add an extra amazing taste to your meat. Lastly, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix the meat very well and let it cook for approximately 2 minutes. Once the meat is nicely fried and dry, lastly you're going to add the fried fries and mix everything slowly and carefully to avoid from mashing the fries. Once your fries and the meat are nicely combined, then serve on a plate. And our tasty, delicious fries and lamb stir fried combo is ready, as you can see in the video. Like, this combo is so tasty. Enjoy with some ketchup and some lemon juice or anything that you like, and enjoy your fries. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of fries, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.